Photoshop CS6 introduced a new feature called Blur Gallery. Now, Blur Gallery includes field blur, etc. But the one problem with the Blur Gallery, it could not be used with smart objects. But now with the new Adobe Creative Cloud and the latest update, you can use them blur and smart objects. So I'm just going to quickly go over to, and I'm going to use in this quick tutorial a PDF document from graphicextras.com. It's an Arch design, and I'm just going to quickly go and select that file, and just going to select the file open as smart object, and I'm going to select the PDF document. It's Arch design, it's in the pack 24, open. Now, the one good thing about smart objects is that they're active. They remain as a vector instead of actually if you open them just as normal, that's it. So you set a file size, say 100 by 100, that is it. But if you actually open as a smart object, you can now go in and it will open and it will set a size for it, and you can actually just go to the image size. You see that? Set it down to 1,000, you can put it up to 5,000, 10,000, whatever. It's not going to change it from a vector. That is one good thing about that. I'm going to reduce it down because I don't want the blur to take a long time to process. So let's just make it 500. That's a bit quicker. So it's going to be a bit smaller there, but I'll just quickly increase the size. I didn't like that. 50. Not 3,000, 50. Don't know why it suddenly went 3,000. Anyway, now I've got this design, and I'm just going to go over now to the filter, blur, field blur, and you see there blur, and I can change the blur setting. Also, you've got the iris blur and all those sort of things. Now they all can be smart objects. So I'm just going to just a very subtle blur. Don't want to make it take forever. So click OK. I can now also apply other effects, and I'm just going to quickly distort, pinch, OK, and you've got that basic design. Now, if you want to edit that design, if you've got the Creative Cloud, you can of course now just click on the little smart object icon. That's what I'm going to quickly do. Comes up with a little dialogue. OK, and you will see the original PDF document perfectly preserved, and you can edit that. So I'm just going to quickly go Object, Clipping Mask, Release, and I'm just going to select different parts of, just say change the colour or something very subtle, just go to a pink colour, pretty garish. But now close, file close, save. Now it will take a few seconds, of course. Nothing ever goes as fast as you want. We'll now update the smart object display, the Arch design. Eventually, it is processing it. You'll see a little, yes, they are, and it's applied smart object, the fill blur and the pinch, and now you can update it. Of course, now it's still updatable, and you can modify. That's the one new feature in one of the new features anyway in the Adobe Creative Cloud.